Hello my geniuses, after watching this genius video, you will know what kind of verb to use with different paired conjunctions. While using paired conjunctions, if the subject closest to the verb is singular, the verb takes the singular form. For example, neither the cameraman nor the director was aware that Akshay would do the stunt himself. Now, what if the subject closest to the verb is plural? Will the verb be singular then? Well, no, it won't be. If the subject closest to the verb is plural, the verb will also be plural. For example, neither the choreographer nor the dancers were aware of Akshay's dancing abilities. However, there is an exception to this rule. For conjunctions, both and, the verb is always plural. For example, both Akshay Kumar and Manoj Joshi are great actors. Both the actor and the producer were going to promote the film. Now, let's solve a question. Either Akshay or Katrina dash going to attend the press conference. Option 1 is, option 2 are. Now, the subject before the blank where the verb will be is singular. We know that the verb for a paired conjunction is decided as per the closest subject to it. Since the closest subject, Katrina, is singular, the verb will be singular too. Hence, option 1 is correct. Either Akshay or Katrina is going to attend the press conference. So now that you know which verb to use with which conjunction, you can swiftly answer such questions in your exam and you can practice a few of them on the Genius app. Until next time, this is me saying bye bye, and of course, remember, Genius se padho, Genius bano.